Yay! Good news mga kaguro! Implementation of salary increase for government employees this 2024. During a press briefing on Thursday, August 1, 2024, the Department of Budget and Management announced that the initial phase of the salary increase for government employees, as declared by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. in his State of the Nation address, will be implemented this year with retroactive effect from January 2024. Ibig po sabihin yan mga kaguro, ang ating salary increase ay magsisimula sa January. So, ibig sabihin mga kaguro, 8 months na tayo kasi August na ngayon. So, from January to August, meron tayong makukuha pero siguro ay magiging lump sum ito. The DBM added that an executive order will be released to outline the details of the 4-phase salary increase. So, malapit na talaga ito mga kaguro. Antay-antay na lang po tayo. Ika nga sa kasabihan, patience is a virtue.